Guys, cheers! O, yan o, grabe o. Para sa tagumpay, yun o. Tagumpay, yes! Nako po, Mang Kanor, kawawa ka naman dyan. Kami happy-happy dito, Mang Kanor. Malamig ang buhay sa Japan. Yung bibig mo, namumula na naman. Nako po. So, itatry ni Rain yung yung kangaroo meat here, yung kangaroo na gusto niyang itry. Yun. Try niya. So, yun. So, ayun. So, ayun. Grabe. Okay. Rain, salamat sa pag-invite sa amin dito. Napasaya mo kami. Ayan, yung kaibigan namin, generous, very generous yan. So, ang totoo niyan, kaibigan talaga ni Bambi. Nakikipagkaibigan lang din ako, nadamay lang ako dito. Yun, salamat dun sa sa amin. Nag-treat dito. Feeling namin mayaman na rin kami. Yan, Share your blessing. Ayan, napaka napaka low profile niya kahit na napakayaman niya So humahanga ako sa kanya. So sa lahat ng mga tao na siyempre ipopost ko pa rin. Sa lahat ng mga diyan, mga tropa ko diyan, na nag-aantay sa mga
So when you cook, it's mild and it's more juicy and tender. So you got the bone, that size, and the cuts is like 990 grams.
990 grams?
Yeah, it's not a kilo.
What is this? Is a beef?
That's a beef. Yeah.
All right.
The one you see on the fish, that's the flavor infused with the butter. So we cut up the butter
Okay.
and make ready to cook down.
Okay. And excuse me.
Which is that one?
Yes, ma'am, that's the butter is, ma'am. So we do have, yeah. So we do have,
175, 990.
it's gonna be like $260. Like.
Okay.
Okay. We also want to try the kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo. Yeah, that's right. Do you have a meat from kangaroo?
We do have a kangaroo.
Okay.
We have it cooked on medium rare.
What?
Because if we're gonna cook on medium side, it's gonna get dry and the meat's gonna be more chewy.
Chewy.
You're gonna have
I
more
don't know.
bites.
It's my first time here,
I'm gonna get you a
Australia.
very good quality of the meat now.
All right. Yeah. You want to taste the kangaroo in here in Australia. That's why you're gonna experience that one. That's why.
So we'll have this and then the
Pare, yan yung asawa ng CEO. CEO ng Dubai doon sa IT CEO Dubai. Yaman yan. Napaka low profile lang. Grabe. Kaibigan ni Bambi yan.
Like it's half beef and pork. Better to go with a full rack of pork ribs. Everybody gonna share that one. So with the pork ribs, we like to get chips or salad on the side.
chips and salad, please.
So I do pork ribs with the chips, and that one, the 900 gram with the dry, is medium with the salad on the side. And we got one more skewers, kangaroo skewers on medium rare. Like to get mass on the side.
There.
It's really perfect, good job. If you're not happy, we're gonna take it back and cook it more.
Alright.
Grabe, ganun pala dito. Bago ko umorder pare,
Like to grab
mga
any
brothers,
sauce on the side, man.
ibibigay sa iyo yung lulutuin naman yan. Papaliwanag sa iyo yan, ganyan. So, lulutuin nila yan by sa order mo per grams pala yun, o per kilo. So, pagka hindi mo nagustuhan, pwede mong ibalik.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Ganun katindi dito.
Ang gusto
Ganun
yung
pala.
yung parang sauce or parang gravy ng steak natin.
Welcome, Habibi. Thank you, Mike.
I used to be living in Russell Alkema in 2015. I stayed for like 2 years over there.
Oh. Nice, man.
I used to work in a Waldorf Astoria in Hilton. After that, I travel over here.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you very appreciate for your
Thank you
kindness.
so much, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Alright, yan guys.
How
Napaka
long we gonna stay over here?
Until Thursday. Actually, Wednesday night.
Wednesday night.
Yeah. This Thursday morning is my flight, like 2 in the morning.
Sure. So how long you stay over here? A week? Or 10 days?
6 days.
6 days.
I just visited my best friends.
So you just came for 6 days over here?
Yeah.
Come on, you need to get at least a month and 2 months here. traveling. Okay, see you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, nakita niyo yun. Na-vlog ko yun. Ayan, ganun kalupit yung aming kaibigan. So ayan. Grabe naman ang bigay nyo. So yun, ano tayo, kaibigan. May mga sports car dito kasi malapit kami doon sa...
Pagbiyahin mo, tricycle. So, take a look. Pero pinalagay na.
Yun, pinakita na yung kanilang ayan, ganyan talaga mga besi-besi nila, mga three sister. Ayan, nakakita na yung mga bracelet. Ayun, grabe naman yan.
Hindi nakikita ko yung Dina. Play.
Yun, no?
Wait lang.
Three sister ng Pilipinas, nagkita-kita dito. So, magkakaklase, silang tatlo, magkaklase sila nung college. Tapos magkakaibigan sila, guys. So, may mga sarili-sarili na silang tinatahak na, na mga
Iniiwan mo
future.
yung card mo dun sa bahay, sa hotel.
Guys, dumating na yung order. Ayun.
Thank you.
Grabe. Shit.
AJ, usad ka muna.
Grabe naman. Ano yun? Anaantay na namin yung yung kangaroo steak tsaka yung beef steak, no? Yun.
Pwede na kumain. Parang ako na
So guys, appetizer pa lang to. Wala pa yung main course. Hindi man ano. So, antayin natin. Pero nagugutom na yung mga tropa. Kaya kakain na rin ako, naingit ako eh.
Ano ko pinagkakitaan niya?
Yan guys, dumating na yung ating main course. Main course.
What
Ayun
is this,
nakasama.
sir?
Chinese food with Puerto Rican chili, mash, and black currant sauce.
Kangaroo daw yun.
And that's
Yun, yung kangaroo yung nakasabi. Kasi yung steak.
Magpa-picture mo
So,
na kami
yun.
dito. Bago niyong kainin.
Yun, dumating na yung main course natin.
That's gonna be your full rack of pork.
Alright, tulungan natin siya para hindi mahirapan. Kawawa naman eh. So, yan.
Full rack of pork.
Dumating na yung So, nice. Yan. Thank you. Yan. Yan. Main course na. Yan. Guys, yan. Dumating na. So, titigman namin. Ito isa, kangaroo. Kasabit na yan. Dito, steak. Ito, steak din. Beef steak. Try natin. Subukan natin kung gaano kasarap itong mamahaling na restaurant na to. Na hinanda sa amin ng aming kaibigan ng asawa ng isang CEO sa Dubai na IT company. Grabe. Yan.
Ano kailangan sabihin niya?
So hindi ko naman siyempre low profile lang siya dumating pero talaga naman.
CEO, retired siya.
Hindi okay lang 'yun. Ibale. So ayan.
Ito yung tsura nitong inihaw.
Okay guys. Try natin kainin na 'to. Subukan natin. Let's go! Eat! Yes!
Yeah, sure, of course.
Yan. Picture daw. So, tanongin natin kung ilang taon na siya. Excuse me, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Oh, really? 20 years old. No.
Do I look like 20 or no?
No.
Younger?
Younger.
Yeah.
Younger.
Everyone
That's-
tells me 40,
Young.
60, 25.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. And then,
Where are you from? I'm from Nepal. And you guys?
Nepal? Philippines? Yeah.
So
You're
are you
single?
guys traveling?
You're single?
Sorry? Yeah, I am.
Oh, nice one. Single. How about you? Single?
And are you guys
Don't just- I was just
traveling
joking.
here or
Just me.
just you?
Yeah.
Did you like sitting here? How is it?
Yan, in-interview na natin yung yung isang magandang binibini. Thank you very much. Mabait siya. So, yun. Hindi ko natanong Yung nakalimutan ko, importante yun Yung name. So, pasensya na.
Baka nakuha mo sa